We've seen how we can embed Einstein Analytics dashboards inside of Lightning Experience, Salesforce Classic, as well as in communities. But we can also embed them into external applications using a feature called Lightning Out. So in this case, we've got the SAP Web IDE, and we've taken one of the sample applications. We've added a blank panel here that we're going to use to put a Einstein Analytics dashboard in using Lightning Out. So I'm going to go run this here, like so. And when the application launches, it's important to note that this is running on an SAP cloud hosted environment. At this point, it's using nothing from Salesforce. But if I click Login, I log in using a standard login and get back an OAuth token. And just as I would use REST APIs, I can now include UI content. So I'm going to click the Analytics tab, and this will load the Analytics dashboard inside of the SAP runtime. So now we're running all together in the container, but these components are still controlled by SAP. This component is fully controlled by Salesforce. So the really cool thing is we can actually use these components together. We can interoperate with them. And what I'll do is I'll click on stage to show you the values here. And I'm going to pick a stage from this list, which is actually a standard SAP component. So let's pick something like prospecting, and we can see the selection changes inside of the Einstein Analytics dashboard. So an event was fired, the dashboard listens for it and reacts accordingly. And you can do this by firing events like so, and just pick different things to show the results here. Or we can pick all and go back to normal. Now we also have this thing called a lead source. We've built a little icon bar. When we click here, the dashboard is going to respond, but it's going to change what's displayed over on this side. So let's pick things like partner. And you can see here the selection changing as I'm clicking through each of these. So this is an example of using standard Lightning components from Salesforce and embedding Einstein Analytics dashboards using this technology in any UI. And it's important to note this is not just SAP. It could be on Amazon, it could be Microsoft, it could be some sort of on-premise application. Lightning Out really doesn't care. We've made it so these components can run in any context, and you can leverage the full power of Einstein Analytics in any way you'd like to.